My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser notifications that come from the site ads4upro.com. ads4upro.com is a deceptive site that may attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. This website attempts to trick you into clicking on this allow button, supposedly to confirm that you are not a robot. But to click on allow is risky and dangerous. If you do that, your browser may be hijacked with multiple advertisements that will be popping up in the right part of your computer screen. These ads that you will see are not often decent. Very often they are dangerous, and they may point you to many shady and deceptive pages on the web. So if the allow button was clicked, that's surely a mistake that needs to be fixed urgently. Access the menu, go to settings, select security and privacy, go to site settings, then in permissions choose notifications and research the sites allowed to send notifications. When you find this ads4upro.com, make sure you remove it from the list. And if you see other junk sites here, remove them too. Finally, I recommend researching your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.